Hey guys, it's Chris. I just wanted to come on here and wish you all a happy Memorial Day. We hope that you get to eat some great food, get to be around people that you love, and just overall have a fantastic day. Obviously, we're honoring those that have fallen in service to our country today, so with that in mind, we want to keep our current servicemen and women in mind, as well as our veterans. We just wanted to issue a huge shout out and say thank you to all of you for your service. We appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Our offices will be closed today, Memorial Day. We will be back tomorrow though. And again, we just hope that you get to enjoy your time with your family, kick your feet up a little bit and just relax. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you back on the channel here next Monday.